Hello students of class 9th, let's start our English study. Today is chapter 7, packing. Packing, means when we have any idea to go anywhere for visiting, then packing is very important firstly, okay? Packing is very important thing, and packing is very means you can say tough work also. It cannot do all persons properly. And in this chapter, narrator here expresses about the packing, and narrator was very well, means complete and expert in packing. And he had announced that he will pack properly. And his friend George and Harris also there. And means narrator wants to go anywhere, and he was engaged in packing. The whole incident taken in this chapter about the packing. Okay, then means the narrator and his friends George and Harry. Three persons are there and they were living in same room. Means they have shared the room. Okay. And in a visiting, narrator had said he was expert in packing, so Harry and George both were amusing on him. When he had packed a lot of things inside the bag, then they have done very mischievous act. And in this chapter, it expresses also their mischievous activities of their friends and narrator also. Okay, they were very amusing persons. Okay, and then means in this incident, Harris also behaved indifferent and while packed the bag. Okay, then an idea came in narrator's mind. Okay, then he thought that he was doing the work of packing. Even his friends were sitting and laughing at him. Then he had started to order them for means the packing. Okay, then he have much more things kept inside the bag. Kept inside the bag. Then tomato means swags, whatever is a lot of things here and there. They have broken the plates also. Okay, these mischievous acts also running with the packing. When one time narrator means have completed his packing, then means he thought and he have also remembered that he is forgetting something. And first time he has opened his packed bag when his friend had said, where is your shoes? Okay, then he had again opened the bag and unfolded the whole things scattered here and there, and they were means searching that. Again, when he have means complete his packing, then his friend has also said, where is spectacles, glasses? Then he had opened that packed bag again and started searching of spectacles, means glasses. And that glass he got in the pair of shoes. Okay, means in this way they have no idea how to keep those things properly inside the bag. Which things they should keep downside, which things they should keep middle, and which things they should keep upper side. It should be planned according to those things appearance. Okay, मीन्स जैसे हम पैकिंग करते हैं तो कौन सी चीज़ नीचे रखनी चाहिए, भारी चीज़ें जो न टूटें, कौन सी चीज़ हमको बीच में रखनी चाहिए, खाने पीने की चीज़ें हमें अलग रखनी चाहिए. मीन्स दीज आइडिया शुड बी इन माइंड ड्यूरिंग पैकिंग, and narrator have focused about these things. Packing is not very, you can say, easy work. It is also a hard and tough work. Okay, so then he had again reopened the bag, means for the pouch of tobacco. Okay, means one time he had opened the bag for the toothbrush. Means when he remembered, where is my toothbrush where I have kept inside the bag, then he had again unfolded the packing. Okay, and he had searched his toothbrush. In this way, means he have opened the bag again and again for searching some usable things. Okay. Then narrator had said to their friends for packing. Harris and George started to packing of hamper, and they had kept tomato means ketchup inside, and they have also were means searching some things whatever means they were unable to get. Okay, they had broken the cup and plate also. In this way narrator become very sad. Okay, after that, a dog also came there. The dog's role in packing, he came, and he also means squashes by his legs the tomato ketchup. And he has means scattered the things and sat on the bag, top of the bag. And in this way, because due to dog's behavior, means whenever dogs having the naughty activity is not done, means dogs have no satisfaction about it. Okay, in this means chapter, narrator have expresses about the quality of means some foolish and amusing persons and dog also. Okay, in this way dog have also interfere in their packing much more. At last, when they have finished their packing, when they went for sleeping, then after saying good night, you know what happened? They had kept a, plastic drum, means downside of his friend's bed, means when he will get up at morning time, he will fell down from this. Okay, in this way, means this amusing chapter being finished, means in whole the chapter they have done much more, activity and nuisance activity in this chapter during their packing. Okay, thanks.